What's up, everybody? It's Andrew with Excellent Business Solutions. Today I'll be teaching you kind of what's up on this bar and what options you have in order to edit your spreadsheet. Uh, Last time we went over what all of these tabs do. Now we're going to go over all the things you can do on this bar. For example, first thing we've got is undo. So if we type something or we do anything, we can undo it. If I want to redo it, I just hit the redo button. This will redo it. That's Control Y. The other one is Control Z. So Control Z, Control Y, that'll redo and undo what you have just done. You can print straight from here if you need to. You can uh, copy the formatting. And so kind of how that looks, it could look many different ways. One of the biggest ways is just based on how something's formatted. So if we have something that looked like this and we wanted the cell next to it to look similar, and we want it to be like black text, red fill, bold maybe, then we just hit the paint format, we'd hit the cells that we'd like to apply it to, and it becomes that. What else do we got? We got zoom. So you can go for anywhere from 50 to 200%. If you need to see anything any better, maybe we'll just leave it like this for the rest of the video so you can see things better. We've got currency. So just by typing in a number, let's say, just 1,000, right? You want to make that currency, just hit the straight currency button, makes it money for you. If only money was that easy to grow, right? um, we got format is a percent. So if we want that 1,000 to be percent, we got it like that. It'll just take right from what you just did. So if we started with 1,000, I mean, you can type 1,000% if you like. Okay, so it just formats whatever number you've got in there into a percentage. If we need to decrease the, so let's Control Z. If we need to decrease the decimals, then we would hit this one, decrease decimal places. If we want to increase decimals, we hit the one next to it. If we needed to do that. This is basically the small version of what you've got up here. It helps you quickly format anything to any format you need. You can even customize the format as needs be. This is where you'll select your text and how you like it to appear in the font. Arial is the default. If you'd like to change it, you definitely can. A lot of options in here. And it even gives you the option to search for more fonts. We've got the size. You can go all the way up to 36 as it's listed, but don't let that fool you because you can definitely go higher than that. Let's say you needed 100. You can do 100 if you'd like to as well. Not sure if there's a limit there. Haven't really tested it, but I don't. Oh, you can even go to 400. 400 looks like the limit. All right, we got bold. So we can bold things. Let's just bold what we got here. Okay. Italicize it, unbold it, strike through, so that'll put a line through whatever text you got there. We've got the text font color. You can make it custom. You can choose from what's already here. You can also fill based on all the colors that are here. And we've got the borders. This is how you can choose the borders for yourself like that. It'll automatically do one of the skinniest lines, but here's where you choose the other line types. There's just a couple for you. And you can even choose the color of that line. So lots of customization for you. If we select 2 cells or more, then this will become active, and this is merge cells. That'll make 2 cells 1 or multiple cells 1. That's helpful when you're trying to center things or have this, be larger across a bigger scale if you needed it to be that way. You can also merge horizontally, vertically, and you can unmerge just the same. So you go down here to unmerge, and then look, they're back just like they were before. You can align your text from left, middle, and right, rather center. You can have something closer to the top, middle, or bottom. So kind of how that looks. If we were to make it bigger, we got left, middle, and right. And we've got top, middle, and bottom. Right here, we've got text wrapping options. So if you want it to go overflow, if you want to wrap it, and if you would rather clip it. And so that's helpful when you got a lot of text and you're like, yeah, I don't care if it goes down a little bit and I'd like it to wrap. Great, just turn on wrapping for those specific cells or columns. And again, we'll probably go into that much later in the future. Text direction. So here's a quick text direction. You can even choose a custom angle if you'd rather. And yeah, so that affects the way the text is read. So whether you're going, this way, it'll even change a lot of things with borders and shading when you do that. And then side to side, either way. You can insert links, and there's options for that. You can insert comments, charts, create a filter to filter your data. And there's a little filter icon. And then there's also the functions button. So here's another quicker way to get to all your functions. And that's just this front. Up here, right under your tabs, you got these options. These will help you edit your spreadsheet and are super useful when they save you time, and they're really the most, used. So yeah, that's my video today. If you'd like to see some spreadsheet templates I have created, you can check the link in the description below. That'll take you to my website where you can check out some of the templates. They're on sale for a limited time, and hope to see you guys next time. Thank you.